Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and the number of the day is the number 5. Today we are going to be recording lots of ways that we can show the number 5. If you'd like, you could grab a marker and a whiteboard and you could draw along with me. Or maybe you'd prefer to have a watch first and then have a go later. So, let's get learning! 5 is a number we all adore. It's 1 less than 6, but 1 more than 4. We've got 5 little fingers on each hand. The number 5 is oh so grand. This week I've been keeping a lookout for the number 5 wherever I've been. And it was amazing. I found 5 in all sorts of places. And every time I looked down, there was 5. But there were other places too. Check out some of the places where I found 5. Here's the first 5 I found this week, on a mailbox. This fun game wheel is full of 5s. How many can you see? There was even 5 on the back of this giant Lego statue. There are no numerals here, but I can still see 5. Can you? Yes, 5 trees in a neat row. And you can't miss this 5. It's a huge balloon 5. This 5 is already circled. It tells drivers at what speed they can drive. And last but not least, this beautiful flower. How many petals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Become a math detective yourself, and wherever you go this week, look out for number 5. Today, let's see how many ways we can show and record the number 5. Starting with this way, the numeral 5. Do you remember how to write it? Pointing fingers ready? Let's write it together. Here we go. A straight line down, then around like that. Don't forget, 5 needs a hat. I'm going to record this on my board. A straight line down, then around like that. Don't forget, 5 needs a hat. We can write the numeral for 5, and we could also write the word 5. Watch as I write the word that says 5. F-I-V-E. 5. What's another way we could show 5? Yes, on a die. And here it is. 1 dot in each corner and then 1 dot in the middle. I'm going to show this on my board. First, I'll draw the square for the dice face. Just like so. And now I need to draw 1 dot in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 dot in the middle. 5. All right, everyone, get your fingers ready. We are going to give 5 fairy claps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And oh no, there are flies about. Get ready to shoo away 5 flies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phew! Okay, what is another way that we can show the number 5? How about on a 10 frame? Can you draw a 10 frame? Well, watch as I draw mine, and if you'd like, get your pointing finger ready and you could draw along in the air. Are you ready? So first, we draw a rectangle like this. And then we draw a straight line across the middle, just like that. And then we need to draw 4 lines going down, trying to keep the spaces equal. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I just need to add how many dots? That's right, 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that this shows 5 without counting because it has one full row. Can you think of another way to show 5? How about on our fingers? Get your fingers ready. Let's hold up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the way. I'm going to show this on my board. Here we go. 5. Okay, everyone, I've got my blocks. You know what we need to do? I'm going to pull out one counter at a time until I have 5. You ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to place these on my board next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at all the ways that we have shown 5. We've shown 5 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, with our fingers, and on a 10 frame. And look, there is still lots of space for more ways to show 5. What's another way that we could show 5? How about as a picture? I wonder what picture you will draw today. I'm going to draw 5 stars. Remember, you can draw whatever picture you like as long as you draw 5. Here I go. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4, and 5. And they each have 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the way I have shown 5 as a picture. Well, it looks like we still have room to show 5 in more ways. Can you think of any other ways? How about as tally marks? Do you remember what they look like? Here they are. They are the special lines that go up and down. And when we get to number 5, we draw the line across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. Draw 5 tally marks with me in the air. Fingers ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll record it on my board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. One group of 5. Now you might remember that bigger numbers are made up of smaller numbers. We could try that with the number 5. Let me show you. These red counters show 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what if I swap these 2 red counters for 2 yellow counters? We still have 5 counters, but this time it shows 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 makes 5. Speaking of 2 and 3, I have been playing with dominoes lately and I found this one. Look, 2 and 3. And we know that that makes 5. I'm going to use this domino to record 5 on my board. What a great way to show 5. So I'm going to draw my domino here. I've got my block and we need 2 parts. On this side, we're going to show 2. 1, 2, and on this side we'll show 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 2 and 3. Well, let's record one more way to show 5, and let's do it on this. A number line. Maybe you've been counting with a number line. Well, let's count to 5 together. I'm going to put my finger on 0 and we can start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now let's do it again, but this time I'm going to draw the steps as we count. Watch me carefully as I draw one step for each number we count. Ready? I'll start at 0. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've reached our number of the week. I'm going to give it a big circle. Wow, look at all the ways that we have shown 5. We can show 5 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with blocks, on a 10 frame, as a picture, as tally marks, with our fingers, with dominoes, and even on a number line. Well, now it's your turn to grab a pencil and paper, or maybe a whiteboard and a marker, and show all the ways that you can represent 5. You might want to use some of the ideas we've come up with today, or you might even have your own. And of course, maths detectives, keep a lookout for the number 5 wherever you go this week. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.